energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu. A dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Tordine. No, Miss Everboard Dutch. 5 years here, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up the
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow. Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Inshira, Beju Adriani.
Hey. So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mimi.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using floral tissues, my dear, because the floral tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun, thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom? Yeah. Okay, fine.
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell auntie.
Fachemi. I just love how it feels.
Akoto! 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 I know you are there. Come on, Akoto! 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 Come see Capremi, come see Capremi.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the Pay app. It will come right now.
Debra! Ah, so when you come see mommy, give me my money. Me, Jimmy,
We didn't know. What you Pay is here. Yes, Karanabe. Pay is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And until the scanner abroad.
You're welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this contest are Queen of Peace Senior High School, Sonrise Christian High School, and Presby Senior High School, Bompata. Let's welcome them. Queen of Peace Senior High School lost to Krobo Girls Senior High School in last year's National Championship at the preliminary stage. They are back again this year with the hopes of progressing further. Queen of Peace is represented by
Jujunia Malvin
and
Atanga Moses.
So Malvin and Moses, tell us about your journey so far.
So far, it's by the grace of God that we are here. So we are hoping to sail through these prelims. Thank you.
All the best to you. Sonrise Christian High School exited the competition, also at the preliminary stage in last year's National Championship, after a defeat by Konongo Dumasi Senior High School. They are back again this year. And they are back because they won the original qualifiers contest with the hope of advancing further. Sonrise is represented by
Afum Daniel
and
Nikwe Samuel.
Samuel and Daniel, tell us about your journey so far.
Okay, we are hoping to do our best and follow where as far as God can take us.
I wish you the best. Presby Senior High School Bompata, after winning the original qualifiers contest, is here for the first time at the National Championship. Let's give them a special welcome. Presby Senior High School Bompata is represented by
Yao Ofori Puakwa
and
Amwa Jowo Judea.
Okay, so tell us about your journey so far. How has it been coming for the first time?
In our regional qualifiers, we met Edu Jemfi and Tunebo Akodua and also Agri Kenzima, and by God's grace, for the first time in history, we've qualified for the national stage of the NSMQ.
Congratulations. I wish you the best. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, DuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Your Mark Foundation. My name is Dr. Mrs. Gladys Naudeshwinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, there are 5 rounds in this contest. Each has its rules, but in each round, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations, and 10 for those that don't involve calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should I ask you to repeat your answer, you repeat, don't change. A change will nullify the answer you have given. In the first round, each school will get a question to be answered for a maximum of 3 points. When you don't get it right, another school may ring their bell to answer correctly for a bonus point or lose a point when they are wrong. You don't ring the bell when a school is answering. I won't call you. Make sure you ring the bell after I have told them they are wrong. Then you get the opportunity to pick up a bonus point. I wish you all the best. I'll be starting the first round with Queen of Peace Senior High School. There's a preamble to the first set of questions, and it reads, find the area of the region between 2 concentric circles of radii, R1 and R2. Leave answer in terms of pi. Find the area of the region between 2 concentric circles of radii, R1 and R2. Leave answer in terms of pi, Queen of Peace. R1 equals 17 centimeters. R2 is 13 centimeters.
$120 pi centimeters squared.
Correct. Sonrise. R1 equals 23 centimeters, R2 equals 13 centimeters.
$360 pi centimeters squared.
Correct. Presby Senior High, Bompata. R1 equals 23 centimeters. R2 equals 17 centimeters.
We have 240 pi centimeters squared.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The gaseous equilibrium reaction, 4HCl plus O2 in equilibrium with 2Cl2 plus 2H2O is exothermic and has an equilibrium constant of 1.5 times 10 to the power 2. Indicate the direction of equilibrium given that, Queen of Peace, pressure in the reaction vessel is increased. Yes, Marvin.
When the pressure is increased, it will move to the forward direction to nullify the increase in pressure.
I'll give to you. Sunrise. Temperature is increased. Yes.
The equilibrium position will move in the backwards direction. That is the reactant side.
I'll give to you. Presby Senior High. The volume of the reaction vessel is increased.
The equilibrium position will shift to the forward side. That's the forward direction is favored.
Incorrect. This one, there's no, it's either to the left or to the right. Preamble to all schools. Indicate the type of arrangement of metabolic pathways to which the given description refers. Indicate the type of arrangement of metabolic pathways to which the given description refers. Queen of Peace. It involves the conversion of one compound through a series of intermediates to another compound. Anyone for a bonus? Okay, Sunrise. It is the pathway where an intermediate can enter several linear pathways to different end products. We continue. Presby Senior High, Bompata. The pathway forms a closed loop.
We have closed pathway.
No. So Queen of Peace, linear pathway, Sunrise. Branched divergent pathway. Presby, cyclic pathway. Preamble to all schools. The electrical resistivity of an alloy is 4.0 times 10 to the power negative 8 ohm meter. Find the resistance of alloy wire of the given dimensions. The electrical sensitivity of an alloy is 4.0 times 10 to the power negative 8 ohm meter. Find the resistance of alloy wire of the given dimensions. Queen of Peace. Length equals 5.0 meters and cross-sectional area equals 2.0 times 10 to the power negative 6 square meters. Go ahead, Marvin.
We have 13 times 10 exponent 2 ohms.
Incorrect. Presby Senior High School.
Okay. We have 1.0 times 10 exponent negative 1 ohms.
I'll give to you. Sonrise. Length equals 2.0 meters and cross-sectional area equals 5.0 times 10 to the power negative 7 square meters. Go ahead.
0.080 ohms.
Incorrect. Bompata.
We have 1.6 times 10 raised to an exponent of negative 1 ohms.
Correct. Presby Bompata. Length equals 0.40 meters, 0.40 meter, and cross-sectional area equals 8.0 times 10 to the power negative 8 square meters.
Okay. 0.20 ohms.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the equation of a straight line in intercept form with x-intercept A and y-intercept B given. Find the equation of a straight line in intercept form with x-intercept A and y-intercept B given. Queen of Peace. A equals -3, B equals 5. Malvin.
Y is equal to 5 over 3x plus 15 on 3.
Incorrect. Presby Bompata.
Y is equal to 5x on 3 minus 5.
No. Sonrise. A equals -4, B equals -2. Queen of Peace.
Y is equal to -x on 2 minus 2.
Incorrect. Presby Senior High, Bompata. A equals 2, B equals -7.
Okay. We have y is equal to 7x on 2 minus 7.
Incorrect. Sonrise.
Y is equal to 2 on 7x minus 7.
Incorrect. So you were to give your equation in intercept form. So Queen of Peace, yours was x over -3 plus y over 5 equals 1. Sonrise. X over -4 plus y over -2 equals 1. Then Presby Senior High School Bompata, x over 2 plus y over negative 7 equals 1. Preamble to all schools. What is the systematic name for? What is the systematic name for? Queen of Peace. A 6-carbon compound bearing a carbon-carbon double bond at each end. Go ahead, Moses.
The compound is 1,6-hexadiene.
Correct. Sonrise. A 6-carbon compound possessing 2 hydroxy groups on carbon 3 and carbon 5. Go ahead, Daniel.
2,4-hexadiol.
2,4-hexadiol. Incorrect. Incorrect. Presby.
2,3-hexanediol.
Incorrect. Presby. A 6-carbon compound bearing a carbonyl group at the carbon 5 position.
One carboxypentane.
Incorrect. So, Sonrise, your answer should have been 2,4-hexane-diol. Presby Senior High, Bompata, 2-hexanone. Preamble to all schools. Mention the component of the xylem vessel to which the given description refers. Mention the component of the xylem vessel to which the given description refers. Queen of Peace. They are dead tube-like cells with a tapering end. They are present mostly in gymnosperm and lower angiosperms. They have a thick lignified wall and lack protoplasm.
Tracheids.
Tracheids, that's correct. Sonrise. They are the only living cells of xylem and store starch and fat. They assist in the short distance transportation of water.
Parenchyma tissue.
Incorrect. Queen of Peace.
Xylem parenchyma tissue.
That is correct. Presby Senior High School. They are long cylindrical structures having tube-like appearance. The walls are lignified and have a large central cavity. They are dead and lack protoplasm. They are present in angiosperms.
We have the scleris.
Incorrect. Queen of Peace.
The vessel elements.
Vessels, that's correct. Queen of Peace, find the resultant force on a 3.0 kilogram object whose acceleration is 4.0 k meters per second squared. Malvin.
12 k Newton.
Correct. Sonrise. Find the acceleration of a 4.0 kilogram object when the resultant force on it is 48 I newtons. Daniel.
12 I meters per second squared.
Correct. Presby Senior High, Bompata. Find the resultant force on a 5.0 kilogram object whose acceleration is 3.0 joules per meter second. Sorry. Find the resultant force on the 5.0 kilogram object whose acceleration is 3.0 J meters per second.
15 J Newton.
Correct. That's the end of the first round. So there's a challenge from Bompata Presby. Bompata, you are saying that your answer is the same as mine. It's not. And this is why. The question specifically asks that you have to find the equation of a straight line in intercept form with x-intercept A and y-intercept B, given the values you were given. In this form, the answer is x over 2 plus y over negative 7 equals 1. It is not y equals 2 over 7x minus 7. No, so you gave 7x, y equals 7x over 2 minus 7. That is not the intercept form. That's why you didn't get it. And I announced it before I read out the answers I was expecting. Thank you. Okay, so at the end of the first round, Sonrise Christian High School had 8 points. Presby Senior High School Bompata had 9 points. And Queen of Peace Senior High School had 16 points. So contestants, we are moving into the second round, where we have the speed race. And in this round, we have the Prudential Life Speed Race, where questions will be thrown to all 3 schools, and the first to answer correctly gets 3 points. When you are wrong, a second school answers for 2 points when they are correct, and when they are wrong, the third school may answer correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round also, the 3-second rule applies. If you ring the bell and you are called upon, you have to start giving your answer within 3 seconds. If not, you'll be bailed out and your answer will be considered wrongly given. So make sure you have your answer before you ring. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. We'll start our second round now. Speed race. 2 fair dice are thrown. Find the probability both scores are prime, given that the total score is 5 or 8. Queen of Peace.
1/4.
Incorrect. Bompata.
We have 1/16.
Incorrect. Sonrise.
1/9.
Incorrect. It's 4/9. If the vectors A equals 4I plus kj and B equals 3I minus kj are perpendicular, find K. Sonrise.
K is 3.
Incorrect. Queen of Peace.
K is equal to 4.
K is
4.
Incorrect. Presby Bompata.
K is equal to plus or minus 4.
Incorrect. K is equal to plus or minus 2/3. Solve the trigonometric equation. The expression 2 sine x minus √3 equals 0 for 0 less than x less than pi. Yes. Sonrise.
We have x to be pi on 3 radians and 2 pi on 3 radians.
Correct. The mass of 0.0350 moles of a straight chain alkane is 4.48 grams. Name the alkane. It is nonane. What amount of an ideal gas occupies 8.3 cubic decimeters of a container at 227 degrees Celsius and 600 kilopascals? Leave answer to 2 significant figures. Yes, Queen of Peace.
1.2 moles.
Correct. What is the mass of oxygen in 2.4 grams of S2O8? .6 grams. Name the molecule that acts as the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain. Name the heaviest organ in the human body. Is the skin. The first answer is oxygen. What name is given to the initial stage during which water starts flowing out of a plant cell? Incipient plasmolysis. The gravitational potential energy of an object released from rest is 0 at its initial position and negative 18 joules when it is 2.0 meters below its initial position. Find the gravitational potential energy of the object when it is 3.0 meters below its initial position. Queen of Peace.
Negative 12 joules.
Incorrect. It's negative 27 joules. What is the kinetic energy of a 6.00 kilogram object moving at 15.0 meters per second? Bompata.
You have 45.0 joules.
Incorrect. Sonrise.
675 joules.
Correct. Last one for this round. The melting point of a certain substance is quoted as 28.44 degrees Celsius. Express this value in SI base units. Queen of Peace.
301.59 Kelvin.
Correct. That's the end of the speed race. a sheet of paper each on your tables, and you are not to touch them till I ask you to. Okay? Thank you. At the end of the speed race, Presby Senior High School Bompata had 6 points. Sonrise Christian High School had 11 points. And Queen of Peace Senior High School had 19 points. Contestants, we are moving into the third round, and this is where we solve the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a complex question that will come to all 3 schools, and you have 4 minutes within which to give a solution on the screen. It will be from any of the 4 areas that we are looking at for this contest. Once you put your answers on the screen and the time runs out, I'll come and assess your answers and award points, and then explain why you got the points you received. I wish you the best. Now let's turn over our sheets to read the problem of the day. A particle is launched in free space from the origin with an initial velocity. U equals the expression 3I plus 4 in meters per second, and a constant acceleration A equals negative 10 J meters per second. A, find the initial speed of the particle. B, find the time that elapses after the launch and the instant the particle crosses the x-axis. C, find the particle's position vector at the instant it crosses the x-axis. You have 4 minutes starting now. Our contestants have put their solutions on the board. So this was a problem of the day from physics. And for the information given, contestants were to A, find the initial speed of the particle, B, find the time that elapses after the launch and the instant the particle crosses the x-axis. Then C, find the particle's position vector at the instant it crosses the x-axis. So for the initial speed, u equals the magnitude of the initial velocity, which will end up giving you 5 meters per second. This will give you 2 points. This every school got. Then for the B, because the particle moves, in fact, all the schools ended their point grabbing at A. But for learning purposes, let's continue. B, because the particle moves with constant acceleration, its velocity at time t after launch is the velocity, the final velocity equals initial velocity plus at, which is equal to the expression 3i plus 4j meters per second minus 10tj meters per second squared. If you're able to give this, you get 1 point. Then the position vector is then r equals ut plus half at squared plus r naught, which will give you 3i plus 4j t meters per second minus 5t squared j meters per second, where r naught is 0. Because the initial position is the origin, you get 1 point for this. The y component is seen to be y equals 4t meters per second minus 5t squared meters per second, which is 0 when t equals 0. That's the launch instant. Or 4 meters per second minus 5t meters per second squared equals 0, which gives t equals 4 meters per second over 5 meters per second, which will give you 4 over 5 seconds as crossing the x-axis. If you're able to do this one, 2 points for you. At the instant of crossing the x-axis, the position vector is obtained by inserting t equals 4 over 5 seconds into the expression for position vector to obtain a value of 2.4 I meters. If you're able to get the C correct, you earn 3 points. So each school got 2 points for A. Thank you. Contestants, we are entering the 4th round. In this round, each school will get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. Please turn back to your school emblems. The green. I'll give you a statement and you tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer. Then another school picks up your statement for 2 points when they are right, or lose a point when they are wrong. This is the Jupe true or false round. At stake in this round is the Jupe money transfer $20 promo. During the NSMQ season, whenever an alumnus abroad sends money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, Jupe rewards the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. For this particular contest, Sonrise Christian High School's promo code is Sonrise Christian High School, all in uppercase, no space in between. Queen of Peace, yours is Queen of Peace, no space, all in uppercase. And Presby Senior High Bompata is Bompata Presec, all in uppercase, no space. So alumni in the diaspora, this is an opportunity for you to contribute to your school without actually paying anything. All you need to do is to send money to Ghana through Jupe money transfer. And you get $20 if you use your school's promo code. That means you have to be watching the contest to get the promo code. So please take advantage of this opportunity. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe. So contestants, we start our 4th round. I'll be starting with Queen of Peace. A preamble to all schools for this set. The function f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 4 is, the function f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 4 is Queen of Peace. increasing for x greater than 1.
False.
Correct. Sonrise Christian High School, decreasing for x less than 1.
False.
Incorrect. Presby Bompata, increasing for x greater than 2.
False.
Incorrect. Nuclides with the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons are isotopes. Queen of Peace.
True.
Correct. Sonrise. Isotopes of an element may have the same nucleon numbers.
False.
Correct. Presby Senior High Bompata. Nuclides with the same nucleon number but different atomic numbers are isotones.
False.
Correct. DNA contains ribose as its sugar. Queen of Peace.
False.
Correct. Sonrise. DNA contains phosphate in its backbone, which helps to stabilize its structure.
True.
Correct. Presby Bompata. Each strand of a DNA molecule is composed of a long chain of monomer nucleotides.
True.
Correct. Any moving object has kinetic energy. Queen of Peace.
True.
Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Sonrise. Any moving object has positive potential energy.
False.
Correct. Presby Bompata. The kinetic energy of a moving object becomes negative when the object changes its direction of motion.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The interior angle of a regular, Queen of Peace, heptagon is 6 pi over 7 radians.
False.
Correct. Sonrise. Octagon is 3 pi over 4 radians.
True.
Correct. Presby. Duodecagon is 5 pi over 6 radians.
True.
Correct. Queen of Peace. The reduction of propine with hydrogen gas over a palladium catalyst yields propane.
True.
Correct. Sonrise. 2-butene is less acidic than propine.
It's false.
Incorrect. Presby Bompata. Pentine may exhibit cis-trans isomerism.
False.
Correct. Increasing temperature of the water bodies encourages harmful algal blooms. Queen of Peace.
False.
Incorrect. Sonrise. Introduction of pond aeration through fountains encourages harmful algal blooms in water bodies.
True.
Incorrect. Presby. The use of phosphorus-free fertilizers and detergents to limit nutrient The use of phosphorus-free fertilizers and detergents limits nutrient-rich runoff.
True.
Incorrect. The weight of an object on Earth is greater at the poles than at the equator. Queen of Peace.
False.
Incorrect. Sunrise. The weight of an object on Earth increases as its altitude increases.
False.
Correct. Presby Bompata. The weight of an object only exists when the object is in contact with another object.
False.
Correct. That's the end of the fourth round. At the end of round 4, Presby Senior High School Bompata had 18 points. Sonrise Christian High School had 20 points. And Queen of Peace Senior High School had 31 points. All the hard work is done. We are moving to the 5th and final round. In this round, we have 4 riddles to solve. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you're able to solve on clue 1, 5 points, 2, 4 points, 3 to the last, 4 points, 3 points, sorry. You may take turns because each riddle will come to all of you at the same time. And if you take a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. You may join us if there is another one after that. But for this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At the stage, solving 3 riddles will fetch the team 800 Ghana cedis, while solving 4 riddles will fetch the team 1,200 Ghana cedis. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil, Good Energy. So, we start with our 5th round. All the best to you. I am a function with domain, the real line. In reality, I'm a type of function. I'm either strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. My independent variable is an exponent. I definitely have an inverse. I'm the inverse of the logarithmic function. Who am I? Presby Bompata.
Exponential function.
Correct. I'm a colorless gas with a strong odor. I'm highly soluble in water. Due to my thermodynamic properties, I'm used as a refrigerant. I have a trigonal pyramidal molecular geometry. I am primarily used in agriculture for fertilizer production. Yes, Sonrise.
Ammonia gas.
Ammonia.
Gas.
Incorrect. Queen of Peace.
Ammonia.
Ammonia is correct. I am an organelle found in animals. I'm involved in a group of genetically inherited deficiencies or mutations. I was once considered a mere waste removal system. I'm now recognized as a highly crucial cellular component for signaling and energy metabolism. Queen of Peace.
Mitochondria.
Incorrect. Bompata.
Okay, we have ribosome.
Incorrect. I am analogous to the vacuole in plants, fungi, and algae. Who am I? Sonrise.
Lysosome.
Correct. I am a type of wave. I can be traveling or standing. I can be diffracted but not polarized. My name recalls a cartographic coordinate. I'm the type of wave in which particle oscillations occur. Yes, Queen of Peace.
Transverse wave.
Incorrect. Sonrise.
Longitudinal wave.
Correct. That's the end of the contest. chemistry riddle. I did not finish the clues. If they had waited for the last clue, it says I'm a compound with a chemical formula NH3. No state was given. So the answer is ammonia, not ammonia gas. So at the end of the contest, we'll be hearing the results. But let me thank you for joining us for this contest. Thank you. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which also promises to be exciting. The next contest will be between Ameniampon Senior High School, St. Mary's Senior High School, and New Drabin Senior High School. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, DuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girl Mac Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from November 7 to 23, 2024. So join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. So at the end of this contest, Presby Senior High School Bompata had 21 points. Sonrise Christian High School had 26 points. And Queen of Peace Senior High School had 34 points.